Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth with bone marrow using an easy method. This nourishing broth is simple to prepare and offers many health benefits. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 to 3 pounds of marrow bones, some vegetables like carrots and celery, and aromatics such as garlic and bay leaves. Roasting the bones for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit will deepen their flavor significantly. Once your ingredients are in the pot, cover them completely with 8 to 10 cups of cold water. Cold water helps extract more collagen and nutrients from the bones. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. You want just a few small bubbles breaking the surface. Let it cook slowly for at least 12 hours, or even up to 24 hours for the richest flavor. After simmering, it is time to strain your beautiful bone broth. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth into a large bowl. Discard all the solids, as their nutrients have been fully extracted. Allow the broth to cool completely at room temperature for about 1 to 2 hours before transferring it to airtight containers. This prevents condensation and keeps it fresh. Your homemade bone broth with marrow is now ready to enjoy. This nutrient-dense liquid is packed with collagen, gelatin, and essential amino acids, which are fantastic for gut health and joint support. It also provides valuable minerals like calcium and magnesium. You can sip it warm as a comforting drink, use it as a base for delicious soups and stews, or even incorporate it into sauces. It is incredibly versatile and beneficial.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.